Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the importance of learning. Have you ever worked with so many people around the world learning English? We use English taught in school, used in international business, and spoken by millions of people every day. The answer simple. English is global language. It helps people communication, learning now, thinking, and connects with the world. In today's modern era, learning English is no longer just an opening. It is an important skill that can open many opportunities in our life. One, English helps use communication internationally. First, English helps use communication with people from different countries. There are more than 1 billion people we use English around the world. When we travel abroad, meet foreign visitors are on tracks online. English often because the common language they also use to understand its own heart. For example, if you come from Indonesia, meet a person from Japan, Germany, or Brazil, they may use English to communication because it's the language both often can understand. By learning English, we can meet new friends, share ideas, and learning about different cultures. Number 3, English gives to language. Second, English gives use accent to amounts of information and knowledge. Many books, significant journalists, and websites and education videos are waiting for translation for students. English can help improve academic performance. Affable English is also always used to gain information for around day. Okay, number 3, English better opportunity. Things English could in part of our future career. Today, many companies look for employers who can speak and understand